Have you ever felt like you're not enough? Like every door you knock on stays closed? They say failure is just a detour. But when it hits you, it feels final, heavy, personal. But what if failure is your most loyal teacher? This is not just another motivational video. This is your turning point, because today you'll learn why the most successful people, including Jack Ma, failed more times than most people even tried. Before Jack Ma became one of the richest men in the world, he was rejected over and over again. He failed his college entrance exams. He applied to 30 different jobs and was rejected by all of them. When KFC opened in China, 24 people applied. 23 were hired. Jack was the only one turned away. Even Harvard said no 10 times. Most people give up after one rejection. Jack kept going because he didn't see failure as defeat. He saw it as feedback, as direction, as necessary. Here's a truth no one tells you. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of it. You're not broken because you failed. You're being built. The pain you feel when you fall short, that's growth in disguise. It's the world asking, how bad do you want this? Most people retreat. The greats, they adapt. Jack once said, if you don't give up, you still have a chance. Giving up is the greatest failure. So what are you failing at? A business? A dream? A relationship? Good. That means you're alive. That means you're trying. Jack didn't just fail and wait. He failed and learned. Here's what you can take from his journey. First, keep your vision clear. People laughed at his dream of an internet company in China. He didn't even know how to code, but he had belief. He had vision. Second, build a strong team. Jack Ma has said it himself. He wasn't the smartest, but he surrounded himself with those who were. Leadership isn't about knowing everything. It's about building together. Third, protect your mindset. When the world doubts you, don't echo their voices. You must be louder. You must believe first, because you're not failing. You're learning how to fight. You are more than your mistakes. You are more than every no you've ever heard. More than missed chances, failed launches, or closed doors. Jack Ma was once a teacher making $12 a month. Today, he's a symbol of transformation, not because he never failed, but because he never quit. Imagine if he had stopped after Harvard, after KFC, after rejection number 30. He didn't. Now imagine where you'll be if you keep going. This is your story, and this chapter, it's not your ending, it's your ignition. Failure is not the final word. It's the first sentence of your comeback. Stand up, try again, learn, adjust, rise. Because the only people who never fail are the ones too afraid to start. Don't be one of them. Subscribe for more. Your journey starts now.